Hey, it's Peter Garion with Secret Beach Homes, and I wanted to show you guys something super cool that we just added to our website. So for those of you who are interested in getting a home price estimate, so many people ask what's the price to build, what's the cost, and there's so many factors that go into it that we decided to design a super cool tool that you can now use right online, and you'll have a very accurate home quote for a prefab home in Secret Beach. So if you're interested in the prefab option, this is a very cool way to go. It's a very interesting and fast way to get a quote for your house, and it'll be a full turnkey quote. You can get the whole picture of what everything costs and all the materials that you're going to get. And so I'm going to show it to you real quick. It's a really exciting thing that we just added. So basically what you'll do is you'll go here to secretbeachhomes.com. That's our website. And on the home page, you'll see this navigation bar here across the top. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Design Your Home. You see that? So click on that link and you'll see this page pop up. And basically what's going to happen is you'll see this page here and you can design your prefab home from the ground up. You'll be given an option of floor plans. So check this out. We have a ton of different types of floor plans, a lot of different options and sizes and layouts. And even if you see something that isn't exactly what you want, but it's close, basically choose the thing that you think you would like the most, the closest to what you want, and we can even still continue to customize it after the fact. So you'll go through, you'll choose the floor plan and the size of the home that you like, some of the design features that you like. Pick that. Once you pick your floor plan, then you'll go down, and the next step, see we got a ton of floor plans there. Then the next step is to choose your siding material. You can choose metal siding or wood siding. You can choose the style of roof that you want to have on the house. You can choose the foundation style, whether you want wood posts or concrete posts. You make that selection and then decide how high you want it, elevated up off the ground. Delivery options. We talk about hardwood flooring, the ceiling materials, what type of ceiling you want, whether it's a vaulted ceiling or a cathedral ceiling, and a lot of different types of options when it comes to the walls, the insulation, the style of veranda, whether it's screened in, and we have different types of styles and options when it comes to those verandas, the style of windows, the materials, all the cabinets, the countertops, all the fixtures, bathroom fixtures, vanities, shower styles, everything that you want for your prefab home, all the options that are available. You simply click on each one, go through the process. Down at the end, see, oh, we got everything here, all the fixtures, everything that you would want to design in your home. So you go through all this, and then down here at the bottom, you give us a little bit more information. You click submit, and within just a couple of days, we're going to have a fully turnkey home price for you for all the options that you want. So this solves a lot of problems and a lot of challenges that people have when it comes to asking for pricing, because there's so many variables that go into it. Now you can go right online, choose the style that you want, choose the finishes that you want, hit submit. We'll be in touch with you within a couple of days, and you'll get a full turnkey price for your prefab home. So really exciting, lots of fun. There's no obligation either, right? So if you go through this and you say, well, it's not for me, or it's not the price I want, or whatever, no obligation. You can simply go through it. We're happy to help you guys at least give a sense of what the cost will be to build your house. And I think that a lot of people are going to find this beneficial. We've already had a lot of great feedback, and people are pretty excited about it. So please check it out, secretbeachhomes.com, and then go to Design Your Home. You'll see that right at the top. I'll scroll back up here real quick. And so when you go to the home page here, if you're on the home page, you simply click Design Your Home, and then you go through the process, choosing all your materials and choosing all the finishes that you want, and we'll get you a very accurate home price quote for your prefab home. So check it out, secretbeachhomes.com. We hope to hear from you.